oh, F it. F the whole day. The whole day doesn't count. So for dinner, I'm going balls to the wall. I'm going to eat whatever I want. So I filmed this whole intro talking about my unsuccessful weight loss life, and I had a whole bunch of crap on my face from what I just ate. So sorry if this feels a little bit unorganic. It's because I'm doing it the second time. But I am starting a series called My Unsuccessful Weight Loss Life because basically, long story short, I'll go into more details another day, another time. But I've been trying to lose the same weight for like the last 7 years. Ridiculous, right? And it didn't start off as like over 30 pounds that I need to lose. It started off as 10 pounds, and then it was 15 pounds, and then it was 20 pounds, and then it was 20, you know, and so on and so forth. And I successfully lost 20 pounds last year, but it was still on some like crazy, okay, basically it was over a 6-month period. I lost about 10 pounds over a six month period, which for me, my height and my weight is ridiculous. That's entirely too long, but that's how long it took me. And then the last 2 weeks of that 6 months, I lost the other 10 pounds. So yeah, I'm pretty ridiculous when it comes to weight loss. And I just thought it would be kind of funny, and not even funny, but I wanted to get into vlogging anyway. So I was like, you know what? I'll start with this because this is a daily struggle of mine, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who has the same struggle. So yeah, on today's edition of My Unsuccessful Weight Loss Life, I was supposed to be starting the military diet, and I've already failed, and it's only 8:53 in the morning. It's not funny. It's really not funny. I was in my car. I was doing Uber, which I hate, and I have a workout at 9:30, so I was like, ooh, I gotta figure something out, so I'm not going to my workout on an empty stomach. So I was like, I'll go by the store and get the grapefruit that I need for the breakfast, because day one, the breakfast for the military diet, the day one breakfast is half a grapefruit, peanut butter, and toast. I'm in my car, so in my mind, I was like, okay, I'll get the grapefruit, but since I'm out, I can't get the peanut butter or the bread. Long story short, I ended up having like this little Lunchable that had cheese and crackers and pepperoni, and the grapefruit that I got wasn't even a grapefruit, it was an orange. So, and the kicker to all that is I'm at home. And I could have just waited and had that peanut butter and that toast because I'm at home. I made it home before my workout. So it's just ridiculous. It's so ridiculous, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna build a community, and we're going to figure out why people like me are so ridiculous when it comes to weight loss and when it comes to maintaining some type of real diet. Okay, so we're gonna do better for lunch, okay? So for lunch, it's supposed to be tuna. For lunch, it's supposed to be tuna and a slice of bread. So I'm not gonna eat plain tuna because my spirit just can't handle that. So I'm gonna eat this garlic, urban garlic tuna creations. It's still only 110 calories, so I'm gonna plan ahead, and I'm going to bring this with me. And then also, this is a part of the problem, honestly, all of this junk. And the crazy part is I really don't ever eat any of this junk. I will rarely come in here and get a snack, but this is my husband and my daughter's stuff. I'm looking for this. Okay, while I'm gone, it's just not, I don't want bread. I don't want to eat the bread. I know I'm being like disobedient, like, girl, the diet says, it's fine. Whenever I do this diet, I always do tuna, but I do it with whole wheat crackers because it's just more convenient and it tastes better than if I were to just use bread. So I'm gonna head out to my workout. I'm currently doing CrossFit. I've been doing it about a month and I really, really, really love it. And it'll probably be something I do for the rest of my life. So once I get this diet down packed, we gonna be in there like swimwear. It's gonna be on and popping. But let me go ahead and get out of here because trainer does not like it when I'm late. Whew, I'm so excited. I've really been wanting to do like a vlog type of situation with this seemingly forever and a day weight loss journey that I've been on for like a decade. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Because I thought my unsuccessful weight loss life would be a fun way for me to, first of all, get into vlogging, and second of all, just document this process. But this is a funny and interesting process that I feel like so many people go through the same thing that I go through. Like, for instance, breakfast. I woke up completely determined to do this military diet, but somehow convinced myself to get what I got from the store. It just doesn't make any sense. And it always happens the same way. I'll be sitting somewhere, or I'll be in the car, or I'll be at home, and I'll just be thinking about whatever decision that I made, whatever stupid decision I made, I'll be thinking about it and I'll be like, really? Hi, I'm back. It probably doesn't look like it. I'm not a big sweater, honestly, but I'm sweating. I got a little precipitation. I just finished CrossFit. It was great. I always love my CrossFit workouts. I'm gonna actually try to go every day this week. I have devastatingly painful periods, so I didn't go pretty much any last week because of that. So I'm gonna try to go every day this week to catch up for the days that I missed last week. But yeah, from here I'm about to probably just go straight into doing some Ubers. Where I work out is kind of across town from where I actually live, so I like to do 1 or 2 Ubers until I'm back on my side of town, and then I'll go home and kind of gussy up a bit. But just checking in, workout was great, and yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, so listen, this may be the devil at work, but I just got a coupon for my favorite pizza place, okay, for extra large New York style pizza and cheesy bread for $9. The devil is busy. The day I try to start my unsuccessful weight loss life vlog and try to do right, I'm not even gonna lie and tell y'all, I'm like, oh my God, I'm so motivated, I'm not gonna go. There is a strong possibility that I might go. Literally just left the gym too. That's the terrible part about it, but we shall see. We're gonna see how this plays out. I still got my crackers and my tuna in the car. If I go get that pizza and cheesy bread, I won't eat the tuna. I won't eat the tuna and the crackers if I go get the pizza. Just pray for me, okay? Hi. So I'm at home. I wasn't gonna record this part, but I'm really trying to be 100% honest and transparent and just show what my thought process is on days like this. So I have some leftovers from yesterday. We went to a restaurant and I have salmon and mashed potatoes left over from yesterday. So I'm actually about to eat this right now because I'm starving. Actually, no, it's a lie. I'm not starving. I'm a little hungry, but I probably could do without, but I'm gonna eat this anyway because I don't want it to sit in the refrigerator. And also, when I get that pizza and that cheesy bread, I don't want there to be an issue with my husband, because if we have too many like leftovers or something in the refrigerator, I just feel like he's probably thinking, why the hell is she buying more food when we already have food that we haven't ate. So I need to eat this before I get it so that I don't feel like this doesn't make any sense, but this is my honest to God thought process. So okie dokie. Ate that in like 2 seconds. Bad part about it is I really didn't like that salmon. It was some type of local BS that she said they had. I don't know. It was actually not that good. But as I said, there was a method to my madness. I'm probably okay. Let me try to make a good decision here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get that pizza for sure. I can't. It's $9. Wait till y'all see how big it is, and you get a side. Like, I really can't pass this up. And it sounds worse than what it is. I'm not eating it by myself. You know, I do have a family. I do have a husband. I do have a daughter. So all three of us are going to be eating it. But, excuse me, obviously I'm the one that shouldn't be eating it. But, I mean, this is a steal. I'm going to have to succumb to temptation today. So I don't even know if I should keep on vlogging today because this is kind of a fail. Actually, I mean, this is completely what my unsuccessful weight loss life is about. Stuff like this that happens, and I just let it because I'm going to get that pizza. Anyways, sorry about that last clip. I know it was blurry. I mean, I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'm gonna start over fresh on the new day, and honestly, not even starting over tomorrow. That's one thing I have to also be better with. Like, if I mess up during lunch, I'll just be like, oh, F it, F the whole day. The whole day doesn't count. So for dinner, I'm going balls to the wall. I'm gonna eat whatever I want, and that mind frame is exactly why, you know, I am where I am. So I don't think the whole day is a loss. You know, I haven't eaten terrible today. So yes, I just ate that salmon. But after that, that's going to be the only thing I eat for the rest of the day until I eat the pizza later on in the evening once my family is home. But I'm going to drink lots of water. I'm going to stretch. I'm going to do my homework from CrossFit and do my homework from CrossFit and do my ab workouts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna still try to make it, you know, a good day, a good healthy day. Y'all probably like, girl, shut the fuck up. You about to go get that big ass pizza and cheesy bread, and you talking about a healthy day. Let me make it. Yo. So I'm in the parking lot of Madison School. I'm waiting for her to get out. So I can scoop her up and head to the house. I did pick up my pizza, or as I like to call it, love in its original form. Just kidding, barely. You know what the terrible part about this is? I'm not even in the mood for pizza. I'm really not. But that coupon just spoke to my soul. It really did. Like, in here, like, I just had to get it. But I got a bunch of fruits and stuff that I'm gonna blend because I'm gonna try to do some juices and some smoothies tomorrow, make them an abundant part of my diet tomorrow to kind of make up for the little, you know what. So as I was sitting here, I took out one of my twists just because. Look at this definition. I think I might just go ahead and take the rest of these out when I get home, because the worst thing is when you do a twist out, you take all the time, you do a twist out, and then you leave the twist in for too long, and after you take them out, it's just a hot frizzy mess, so you can't even wear it as a twist out. And you got to do that, you know, natural girl high bun because you left your twist in for too long. So I think I'm gonna take them out when I get home so I don't have that issue. Claude is home. I've been waiting all day to tell him this. Don't look at that. Jeez. So our neighbors, for the last couple of nights, they've been pretty relentless upstairs. Like, they've been like, yeah, pretty much every night. And it's really random times of the night. It's like usually like 3, 4 o'clock. Yeah, really random times of the night. So I've just been wondering, like, who is this up there? What is going on? So I finally, what?
Go ahead. This is a song he's going into.
I finally, and you know, Claude always had commentary. He was like, oh,
I said the stroke was bad, by the way.
the stroke was bad, blah, 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 but still. So I finally saw my neighbor. He comes downstairs.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean he? Relax.
Go ahead.
He comes downstairs. He's like, you know, hey, how you doing? And I've seen him before, and I was just like, wait a minute. You know, I've seen him before, but I didn't know he was the upstairs neighbor. And then, you know, he calls upstairs. He was just like, you know, hey, babe, make sure the door's locked. And then babe comes downstairs. Oh, hey, how you doing? Hello, sir. So it's two guys.
That makes that noise that much worse.
I bet you won't sleep through that noise again.
Never again.
Oh, by the way, we love the gays. Okay.
You know your person
But
has
it's just
beef.
hilarious because we've been picturing, you know, a guy and a girl or whatever upstairs. Stop. But yeah, it's some Madison. Why you look so stressed? But no, like just Madison, please. Just like us talking about it and actually knowing who it was. They probably thought that I was so excited to meet them because I was smiling ear to ear when I realized that his babe was a boyfriend. And they're super cute, by the way. We should have them over for dinner one day. I feel like we know too much about their personal life to have them over here. But Madison, please, you're making this a little weird now. Playing video games with Miss Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you probably can't see her. There she goes. Yeah. We already ate. We ate the deliciousness, calorie-packed deliciousness, and the bread, plus a little, whatever that is. So this wasn't pretty bad. Pigged out pretty bad. Oh. Tomorrow, hey, Buttercup. Get off her. That's not funny. Get off her.
I was barely sitting on. I just.
Yeah. Cheers to tomorrow.